All right, hello, this is Coach McCarthy. We're on Google Sheet 16. So it says to create a new Google Sheet, and here's my new Google Sheet. It says, please select cells A1 and B1, and then please click the merge icon in the toolbar to make them one cell. Please type random text in a color of your choosing, and please center the text both horizontally and vertically. So going to select A1 and B1, and right here's our merge button. All right, then it says to type in some random text. Right, and then we're going to center it vertical and horizontal. And then it says it wanted it in a color, so we're just going to do a red. Okay, do the same. So A2 and A3, that's supposed to be B3. All right, so that one's fixed. All right, this is Coach McCarthy. We're on Google Sheets 16. So create a new Google Sheet, and I already have that up there. So it says select cells A1 and B1 and click the merge icon to merge them together, and then random text in the color of your choosing. So I got to select A1 and B1 and use that with Shift and the mouse or the keys. We're going to merge. We're going to type in some random text. All right, it says to make it a color and make sure it is centered horizontally and vertically. Okay, and then back to our Google Sheet. So it says A2 and A3. So A2 and A3 we're going to merge, and we're going to type in some text. All right, and it says to make it a color, and it's already centered. Then we're going to come over here, we're going to merge, we're going to type in some text, we're going to give it a color, we're going to give it a color. All right, and we're good. Okay, and then it says, so that's through here, through B2 and B3. Please apply a border to all of the above cells we created when we merged cells. So we're going to select our cells, and we're going to apply a border. And if you want to give it a color, you can, and you can give it a different look if you want to. So please enter text into cells A4 through B10. So A4 through B10. I'll come over here and I'll edit just some random text. Okay. And it says, please click view freeze one row. So view freeze one row. So I'm going to scroll and show you that the top row doesn't move and it stays. The other ones do. Now you can freeze other rows if you want. Up to the current row, 2 rows, 1 row, whatever you want to do. And then that will hold the top row. And then we're going to freeze the first column. So view freeze one column. So you can't freeze something if it's in a merged cell. So can only freeze something if it's not merged. So what we can do is we can go view freeze 2 columns, and that'll freeze our first 2 columns right there because you can't freeze if it's in a merged cell. So freeze 1 row or 2, and you're gonna have to freeze 2 columns. All right, so I did fix that. That is the correct assignment now, and here's what it should look like. We can scroll that way and scroll that way, and I'll show you that it works. And as we scroll, yes, those don't show up anymore.